Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Before we go through Sankari Court to Chiksoli Gram, we'll go up to Vilaska on the left of the path, which is the head of Lord Vishnu.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Here someone has built a throne for Srimati Radharani. Opposite it is a throne for Lord Krishna. Vilaska means the place of pastimes, and here Shri Radha Krishna had many beautiful leelas together. From up here we get wonderful views across to the temple of Srimati Radharani. We can also see the Jaipur temple. The forest here is very beautiful and quiet. Some of it is still practically untouched, just as it was in the time of Lord Krishna. Actually, the whole area is saturated with the pastimes of Lord Krishna and Srimati Radharani, and they're still going on here today. There's a little ashram here, and in front of it is a Ras Mandala with an old swing. Srimati Radharani and Lord Krishna would perform their holy pastimes in this area. They would collect golden jugs filled with aguru, vermilion, musk and sandalwood liquids, and jewel-studded syringes. They gathered balls of camphor and flowers, quivers filled with flower arrows, betel nuts, garlands, and flower-scented water. Then with their gopi friends, they would get onto a stage and blissfully sprinkle each other with these substances, while piercing each other's hearts with the arrows of their beautiful glances. Some of the gopis threw different types of colored powder balls at Krishna, while Srimati Radharani and her intimate friends lovingly sprayed him with scented waters from their syringes. Krishna was so expert that he could send a spray into the air from his syringe, and as it went up into the sky, it divided into 100 and then 1,000 streams. Then, as it came down again onto the gopis, it became 100,000 and then 10 million streams, as it inundated the gopis. The gopis tried to surround Krishna and throw fragrant powders on him, but he expanded himself and magically grabbed each one and smeared their faces with colored powder. Srimati Radharani sprayed Krishna with scarlet-colored fragrant water, and the drops attached to his body, making him look like the blackish-blue evening sky, full of brilliant red-colored stars and moons. In this way, it looked like there was a dark cloud present on earth, and that this cloud was being attacked by unlimited amounts of fragrant rain, and was itself being struck by lightning in the form of the golden-colored gopis. All this became so ecstatic that they all became overwhelmed. After this had been going on for some time, Radha and Krishna were placed by Vrindadevi and Kundavali on a wonderful, large swing. The Sakhis pushed them faster and faster until Srimati Radharani became frightened and in desperation grabbed hold of Krishna, making him very happy. As they swung, their earrings swayed, their hair flew in the breeze, and their flower garlands swung to and fro. Srimati Radharani asked her girlfriends for help, but the Sakhis couldn't hear what she was saying, and they thought to themselves, "This swing has become very restless because of Radhika's swinging. She must be very satisfied with us, having her desires fulfilled in this way. Perhaps now she wants us to join her." They then also climbed on the swing with Srimati Radharani and Lord Krishna. With Srimati Radharani on one side and Lalita Devi on the other side, Lord Krishna looked like a great monsoon cloud surrounded by lightning bolts. Then Krishna expanded himself and sat next to each gopi on the swing. One of our acharyas says that if, in this world, a wonderful tamal tree could fly in the sky on a golden mountain, fully entwined by golden vines, it might resemble Krishna embraced by the gopis on that swing.
Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna.